Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. What is this? Alexa, stop. Can you tell that I'm filming a festive video today? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to me in my final form. I haven't even washed my face yet today, but we're gonna get to that. So I put out a tweet a couple of days ago asking if you guys would like to see a super festive video, because I love Christmas, and last year I feel like I didn't actually get that festive, and I wanted to do something for myself to make me feel more festive. And also I asked if you guys would want to see this type of video, and loads of people were like, yes, please do it. We want all of the festive content. As you're watching this, okay, Christmas is in a month and a day, so don't come at me for doing this too early. It's practically Christmas already. So in today's video, I'm gonna be, well, first of all, one of the first jobs I need to do is transform my bed from this like non-Christmassy bedding, my autumnal cushions, into Christmassy bedding, Christmassy backdrop. I'm gonna put up my Christmas tree. I've got my vintage Christmas jumper on, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. And today we are gonna get festive. That rhymed. And today's video is actually in partnership with The Body Shop, which I'm so proud to be working with them. I've worked with them in the past, and as you guys know, I love The Body Shop stuff. I use their skincare on the daily. They have some amazing Christmas gifts this year, and one of my favorite things about The Body Shop and their Christmas gifts is they actually do good for the planet and for charity, and all of their products are 100% vegetarian, they're cruelty free. All of their Christmas packaging is recyclable. Some of the packaging for the products is reusable, so they do their like good bit for the planet, which I love. So the first thing that I'm going to be using today before I get on with my festive activities is I need to do something with my face, and this is the Tea Tree Skincare 123 Clearer Skin set. If you guys have been watching my channel or been following my Instagram for maybe like the past, it must be about 2 or 3 years now that I've been using the Tea Tree range. This is like a mini kind of like tester kit, which is £12, which I think is a really like nice kind of gift idea for somebody that maybe wants to try the Body Shop skincare. You get the clearing facial wash, the mattifying toner, and then you get a mini one of the spot treatment. I use all 3 of these products, like, well, I've got the big versions, but these are the mini ones. I use these every single day, and I literally swear by the Body Shop Tea Tree range. And then another great gift option, which I'm going to use this morning, is the Glow Power Facial Mask set. This contains 2 of my favorite face masks from the Body Shop. Again, if you follow me for a while on Instagram and on YouTube, I've spoken about this one so much. This is my all-time favorite face mask from the Body Shop. It's the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. This is so good for making your skin feel like squeaky clean. It feels like it's drawing out all the impurities. And then you also get the British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask in here. So this is a little mask duo. Again, it comes in cardboard, really cute packaging. This one is £32, but the Body Shop are doing some Black Friday deals. Let me just actually check what they are, because I want to get my facts straight. They've got 30% off their core range, 20% off gifts, and it says exclusions apply. Please see terms and conditions, which can be found on the Body Shop website. Right, I'm going to quickly go and cleanse my face and sort myself out. We're going to put on a mask, and then I'm going to go about the rest of my Christmassy day, which I cannot wait for. So we're back in my bathroom again. I feel like I end up here in a lot of videos. So I'm going to use the facial wash, and then the skin clearing mattifying toner you just use on like a cotton pad or a reusable cotton pad. And then if you have any blemishes, you use the little tea tree oil. I actually can't see what I'm doing right now without my glasses on. I'm using the tea tree toner on a reusable cotton pad. This stuff is that's probably my favourite thing out of the whole Tea Tree collection. Just get that fake tan out of my hairline. And then from the mask kit, because I've spoken about the Himalayan charcoal mask so much, I'm gonna actually go in with the British Rose one. This one is a bit more kind of like moisturising. This one is a bit more mattifying, I guess, and like drawing out the impurities. So I'm gonna use this one today. I'm gonna let it sit for about, I think it's like 20 minutes. And I've just realised I'm gonna have to put this on and then put my glasses back on. So let's try and not get out my nose. This is what it looks like on the inside. I actually can't see what I'm doing. Let me just get closer to the mirror, 2 seconds. Right, I'm gonna let this sit. I'm then gonna wash it off after about like 15-20 minutes. Yes, my glasses are gonna get messy. It's time to wash this off and wash my glasses. So hopefully you can see on camera, this one just makes your skin feel so soft and just hydrated and just fresh and plump and just everything you want, really. So I've now got the task of putting up the tree, which I'm so excited for. Okay, this year it is a little bit early, but I want to get in the Christmas spirit, and I thought this would just be a really fun thing to like film me doing. And if any of you are looking for inspiration for decorating your tree, that was my phone, then hopefully this will help. We have both parts of my tree. This is the main part of the tree, and yes, we have a fake tree because, I don't know, we've just never had a real tree. Because this little one would probably destroy it and eat it, wouldn't you? And no, I am not pregnant. This is just an old mother care box. Okay, so these are the decorations. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. What is this? Fun fact, I made these Christmas decorations out of light bulbs following one of Ingrid Nilsson's tutorials about 5 years ago. That is a whole lot of tree, and I am a small person. What? Why are these cats doing this? This is the problem with having cats and Christmas trees. Wait, how do I know which bit is which? Ugh. Oh no, that's not the right piece. Oh no, I put the wrong piece on. Oh, I can't see. Ta-da! Now I've got to try and put the lights on by myself. Last time I did this with my mum, but she's at work. So my 5'2" self is gonna try and wrap these lights around this 6-foot tree. We're gonna be here a while. I've literally been here for like 5 minutes just trying to untangle them. How is this gonna work? Oh. It's already been 20 minutes and I've only done this much. I'm gonna be here a while. What do I do with all this? It would be really great if I was 6 foot in this moment, or like maybe like 6'4". Perfect. So now it is time to put on the decorations, which I'm so excited for. I love decorating the tree. The bit that I hate is putting the lights on, especially when I'm by myself. That took me about an hour, but let's move on. Oh my god. I did not expect it to do that. I need to see my cats reacting to this. Oh, she doesn't like it. It's me. Oh god, I can't do this with one hand. You know what? I'm actually quite proud of this. I mean, I did this all by myself, but I still feel like it needs more decorations. I feel like it's looking a bit bland, so I might have to buy some more decorations and stick them on before Christmas, but for now, this will do. Right, so I'm still in my glasses and have no makeup on because I kind of decided what is the actual point in putting makeup on today. But it is now time for me to transform this bedding, which, I mean, I did not make my bed, of course. I've got two different options. I've got like a grey, what's that word? It's kind of like Christmas jumper design. Or I've got a super Christmassy red brushed checked duvet, and I kind of want to do that one. Why am I physically incapable of making my bed? I think it's because my bed is next to a wall and I have my cushions there and I've got a bedside table here. Like, I just find it really hard to get my bed sheets actually looking straight, but I mean, how cozy does this look? And this has got little reindeers on it, it's got snowflakes, it's very festive without being like too in your face Christmas. I thought I'd save my red one for actual Christmas, but I mean, I love this so much. Right, so while I have a bit of time to myself this evening, I'm actually gonna go ahead and order some Christmas presents for my family because last year I left things way too late. So this year I'm gonna go ahead and get a head start. My dad did actually send over an Amazon wish list yesterday, which was very organised of him. I actually have no idea what I want for Christmas. If you are watching this, let me know what you want for Christmas. Because to be honest, like, there isn't really anything that I can think that I specifically want. I guess the only stuff that would come in useful is like stuff for when I move into my new house, when that happens at some point. So things like, I don't know, maybe a kettle, a microwave. I do actually need a new hairdryer. I kind of want to get like a really powerful hairdryer that will dry my hair really quickly. So if anyone has any what was that? If anyone has any recommendations, please let me know. But obviously if you guys are looking for Christmas gifts as well for friends and family, maybe your mum, your nan, your best friend, or even not even specifically female, like these can be for any gender. Obviously the gifts that I mentioned from the Body Shop earlier would be really great gifts, the skincare stuff, but they've also got some other really nice gifts which I just want to show you as well. And again, like I mentioned, everything is either recyclable or reusable in terms of the packaging. So with this one here, this one is £18. I feel like I'm quite far away. It's the actual bag that it comes in. You can reuse. You can use this for either toiletry stuff. If you're going away somewhere, you can use it to keep all the stuff together, or I don't know, you could put things like onions in here if you are wanting a bag for the kitchen to put like food stuff in. I don't see why it wouldn't work for that reason. So the Rich Plum is one of the seasonal scents. They always have like different Christmassy festive scents. This one smells so fresh and fruity, as the name kind of suggests. So you get the full size shower gel. I'm just gonna have to smell everything because it's me. You get a Rich Plum softening body butter, which looks like this. Again, it's got the really cute packaging. If my camera would focus, that would be fantastic. Maybe if I hold it in front of my face. There we go. Oh my god, that is the freshest body butter I've ever seen. Wow, I've never seen such a perfect looking body butter. I kind of really tempted to stick my fingers in that, but I'm not going to because I'm going to be gifting this to somebody for Christmas. They also have the Rich Plum Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub, which again is really, whoa! Really good if you have dry skin in the winter and you want to give your skin a really good scrub, or if you wear fake tan like me, then these are great for like removing stubborn bits. So that is the sugar scrub, and you only need a tiny bit of these as well. And then you also get the Rich Plum hand cream, which is a personal favorite of mine. I think the packaging of this one looks gorgeous. And then separate to that, they also have the Rich Plum body yogurt. I love the body yogurt. Since they came out with this formula, I actually do prefer these over the body butters, but obviously the body butters are still amazing. But the reason I love these ones is they sink in so quickly. So these just alone by themselves are £8.50, I believe, but if you can see the formula of these, it's so kind of like jiggly and just very, very lightweight. Like if I take a little bit of this now, you only need the tiniest bit as well. Okay, right, let's put this on the back of my hands and then up my arm. I mean, you can't actually see, you know, how quick it sinks in, but these sink in so fast. So again, especially if you're into your fake tan like I am, or even just if you are looking for a lightweight body moisturizer that sinks in fast, these are amazing. I usually use these like on my knees, my ankles, my elbows when I get out of the shower. Oh, it smells so good. And then a gift set, if you know somebody that is into their Body Shop body yogurts, or you just want to give them a try maybe for yourself, they do have a Christmas gift set as well, which is £15. You get 2 of them. This one is the mango and strawberry scented gift set, and you get the strawberry one and the mango, which both smell absolutely incredible. I'm just gonna have to get out this mango one and smell it because oh dear god. You might be tempted, but don't eat these. They are not edible. They smell edible and they look edible, but they're definitely not edible. So those are some other really nice gift options that are available. But if you are looking to get the Rich Plum fragrances or any of the other festive scents, they are only around at Christmas time, so be quick. And just a little bit of information about the gifts. It says here, when you shop with the Body Shop between November and December 2019, you'll be supporting Plan International to provide training and skills for 1,500 girls in Indonesia and Brazil. The goal is to raise £250,000 for the programme, so girls can achieve their dream job and start up their dream business, which I think is incredible. It's such a great cause. And it also says here that additionally in the UK, the Body Shop will be donating to Plan International UK to support Girls Shout Out. And it says here, Girls Shout Out is a safe, closed space on existing social media channels moderated by Plan International, where girls can share and discuss the issues that matter to them, including body image, which I think is such a great thing. It's kind of like a online forum where girls between the ages, I think it's 13 to 21, can discuss different issues, and it is moderated. So I think that's a really great thing. So I mean, you literally can't argue with that. I think the Body Shop are doing such a great thing by supporting these different charities. So yeah, if you guys are interested in any of these Christmas gifts, I will link everything down below. But yeah, I don't actually know. I got some ideas for my dad. I did go to a Christmas market with James the other day, and I did get a couple of bits. I got something for my dad, I got something for James's dad, but I don't know what I'm gonna get his mum. I don't know what I'm gonna get my mum. I know what I'm getting my brother and his girlfriend. I don't know what I'm getting for James. Like, I need to have a massive like browsing session this evening and figure out my life. Wish me luck. Okay, so I have actually just ordered a couple of my Christmas presents, which is making me feel a little bit less stressed. I still have a long way to go though. There's still things that I need to get my hands on, but I think I'm going to leave it there for now. I think I'm going to go downstairs and watch some TV. I'm going to make myself a Christmas hot chocolate because why the hell not? Something you guys might not know about me is I've got a really interesting big selection of mugs. I kind of collect them and I've got the perfect Christmas mug, so stay tuned. Welcome to my mug collection. Okay, that's not actually a mug. I've got a couple of cups in here as well, but I've got so many mugs in here. When I move out, I'm definitely not going to need to buy any mugs because I have way too many, but the one that I'm looking for is this guy right at the back. I've got my hot chocolate powder. Squirty cream is an absolute must, and so are some mini marshmallows. Oh, I've just spilt half of it on the counter. If you don't have one of these whizzy things, you need one. That was definitely too much whipped cream. Et voila! Oh. Only me. I mean, I tried. Right, okay, so the time is actually now 11:30. I was gonna say I'm gonna go to bed, but I've actually got 2 videos to edit. So I'm gonna edit these and then probably end up going to sleep at about 3 in the morning. But hey, at least I've got my festive bed sheets. I am just gonna answer a question of the day as I usually do. If you guys want to be featured in my next video, leave me a question down below with the hashtag question of the day. Today's question comes from Ivy Fields and she said, "Hey Soph, just wondering if there's anything special we've got planned for when you reach 1 million subscribers. Absolutely can't believe how far you've come. I've been here since 100k. Wow, thank you so much for sticking around, and to be honest, I don't really know what to do when I get to 1 million. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. I don't really want to do like a party or a photo shoot or anything because I don't really feel like that's me. I'll probably celebrate with my family, but in terms of like for my YouTube channel, I'm not sure what to do. Obviously I'm going to do a big giveaway, but other than that, I don't really know what to do to celebrate. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it so much if you would subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!